beautiful people, it's your girl Just Got Talent. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Happy weekend to you all. Guys, look at this fried potato with a spicy stew. Spicy stew with an egg and a fried beef. Okay, if for example you are just thinking what to prepare for the weekend, this is an ideal dish for you. Okay, it's not only eating rice, spaghetti, or whatever. This is a very delicious meal. Okay, it's you can use it as a lunch or dinner, wherever. But if you try this, you will love it. The potato, look at it. I fried it and I put some thyme. Okay, there is thyme and a little salt. Okay, I don't use salt so much, but I just put a little salt inside with a delicious stew. Look at the stew. Look at it. I didn't want to use the meat inside my stew. I just prefer to use that to fry a beef. Look at the beef. Wow, this beef is so tasty, and I love eggs, guys. So with a boiled egg, this is a very good dish for the weekend. Okay, for weekend, if you don't know what to prepare, this is a very good idea for you. So watch this video. If you like it, don't hesitate to prepare your own. Okay, I know everyone know how to prepare stew, but this stew is a very spicy, delicious stew. Look at it. When you prepare it, make sure your stew is a little bit spicy. But for the children, if you don't want to make it so spicy, you can reduce the pepper. But for you and your hubby or an adult, you can make it spicy. Look at it. But this one is very spicy because this dish is for myself and my hubby, because we want to eat something spicy for the weekend. Look at it. It looks so delicious. And I just cut the potato in a cube form. Like I told you guys, I have a lot of recipe for potatoes. Look at it. This is very delicious. Try it, you will love it. Okay, guys, look at it. And maybe I'm gonna show you how I did it, but I'm not so sure because everyone know how to prepare stew and fried potato, right? Okay, so look at it. Wow, the video make sense to you guys. Wow, give it a thumbs up and leave your comments. If you're passing by and you like my video, subscribe to Just Got Talent. Subscribe to Just Got Talent TV for more of my interesting video. Okay, bye guys. See you guys on my next video. Okay, bye bye. Wow, I'm gonna enjoy my food.